As always, please retry this question before watching the video. So the only thing you really need to know about this is that awkward wording is enough to eliminate answers. And this one's a little bit funny. It doesn't even really fall into a category. We've labeled it clause 3, but it really is just an odd question. So let's go through the answers and just see if we can find anything that would allow us to eliminate. The main thing we're going to find on this is just that it's awkwardly worded. Some of them change the meaning, but it mainly is just awkward wording. Concerned residents argue that Banksy's work was simply graffiti that encouraged vandalism. This is completely good. It sounds right. Nothing sounds awkward about it, and it is the most straightforward. It's almost certainly going to be our right answer. Answer B, concerned resident argued that Banksy's work was simply graffiti, the kind that encouraged vandalism. So if you had that, you would need a comma or something separating it, because it's like added information about graffiti. So it would be like in a positive, and so we would need some sort of separation there because it interrupts the flow of the clause, and so we can eliminate B. But you can just tell that it's awkwardly worded. Concerned residents argued that Banksy's work was simply graffiti and that encouraged vandalism. So the way it's worded right now, it being graffiti encouraged vandalism. It's just awkwardly worded. It's just awkwardly worded. And that encouraged vandalism. Because, yeah, Banksy's work, if it was referring to that, but the way that that is worded, after graffiti instead of after Banksy's work, it seems like it's referring to the graffiti. Very, very complicated, and it's just awkwardly worded. Answer D. Concerned residents argued that Banksy's work was simply graffiti while it encouraged vandalism. So while is a contrast, and this would be a continuation. So that also is the wrong conjunction. There's another reason that D could be wrong. So that leaves us with answer A, and it sounds perfectly normal and natural, and that is our correct answer. And yeah, so if this made sense to you, if you benefit anything from this, please add it to your worksheet, and then just continue on to the next clause 3 question that you missed. If this was the final clause 3 question that you missed, please go ahead and do the clause 3 mastery before continuing on your journey, and then come back and do the category that you miss the most of next.